Hello, this is Mr. Stansbury. I'm going to take you through some of the problems from 6B assignment. Okay, so the 6B assignment is a lot of just copy and complete the table because it's going to help you walk through what the differences and all these equations are going to be. So copy and complete this table of values. They actually already did the x squared for you. So if negative 3 squared is 9, negative 2 squared is 4, so forth and so on. So now all we're doing is saying, okay, this is if x is negative 3, if we plug it in here, negative 3 squared is 9, and then we're just going to add 2. So really all we're doing is we're just adding 2 to this this whole row right here. So 9 plus 2 is 11. 2 squared is 4, plus 2 more is 6, which is 2 more than that. Add 2 to that. 3, 2, 3, 6, 11. Okay? And then same idea, instead of adding 2 from this row here, we are going to subtract 2. So 9 minus 2 is 7. And then 2, negative 1, negative 2, negative 1, 2, and 7. Okay, so then it says sketch these on the same set of axes. Okay, so here's our graph. So let's graph this first one here. So we are at negative 3 is at 9. Negative 2 is at 4. Negative 1 is at 1. 0 at 0. And then this just reflects back over across this line here. Okay, so here's this is the x squared. Okay, so really probably should try to connect these to make a graph. Missed pretty bad, but you get the idea. Let's see, for this second one here, I'm going to do it in red. So now it's just negative 3. And now all these points here have gone up 2 from the original points. Right? And that's kind of what we're hoping that you'd see here. Okay, so that comes down there. Oh, I have a hard time with that turn right there. All right, so there's that one. And then let's do, say, green for this last one. Let's do a little darker green. So now from this blue one, they're all down 2. So now instead of there, we're now down here. Sorry, a little hard with, yeah, because that graph is just wrong. Right, so they all end up 2 points lower than those. So we end up with this graph here. Okay, so kind of hard to see. There's a little bit better picture of this in the back of the book if you want to get a little bit better idea what that looks like, but that's close enough. Okay, 4, same idea. So now we've got the x squared. Now we're doubling this x squared. So if it's 9, we take the x squared, which is 9, and then we multiply it by 2. So now that's going to be 18. 4 times 2 is 8. 2, 0, 2, 8, 18. Right? Oops. Let's make that so that's readable. And then now multiply it by 3. So 9 times 3, 27. 12. 3, 0, 2, 12, 27. Right? Okay. So sketch on the same set of axes. Okay. To graph this here, made this here graph, and let's make this here at 0, 0, right? Because we don't have any negative y values here. So this is our x, and really these are all of our y values, right? So let's even do these in different colors. So this first one here will graph negative 3 and then positive 9. Okay, so there's negative 3, and then here's going to be 9. Oops, oh, I did have the right color. All right, there's negative 3, 9, and then negative 2, 4, negative 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9. Okay, so here's our, let's see, here's our regular graph here. All right, let's see if I can actually hit these. Not beautiful, but you get the idea. Okay, so then let's do This one here we'll do in red. So now we're at -3, +18. So it's twice as high. So it's way up here. And then -2 and 8. So all these points here are twice as high as they twice as far away from the x-axis as they were before. Twice 0 is 0. And that's there, and then this one is here, okay? And then we draw our graph again. And again, I hope you can forgive my, ooh, that was just really bad. Hope you can forgive my crummy handwriting. It's just really hard to draw nice connected curved graph on this tablet thing that I have here, okay? And then this one here. Let's do that in green. So we're at -3 and actually 3 times as high, so 27. So like maybe up here or something like that. -2 is going to be at 12. -1 is going to be at 3. That's still 0. That's 3. That's 12. And this one here is at +27 as well. All right, so then we got to, again, try to draw this graph here. Oh, boy. Yeah, there's just no easy way for me to make this happen. Oh, gosh. Okay, so I tried again to redraw that, and then I got nice, pretty graphs from a graphing program. So this is what these are supposed to look like that. But again, really hard for me to draw nice, straight, curvy lines on there. As you can tell, I really struggled on that. Okay, but this is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so hence sketch all in the same set of axes. See comment on your results. So the blue is the original, red is the 2x squared, and then the green is the 3x squared. So comment should be something about that it's getting basically stretched vertically. So it was here, and now it's getting stretched. It's like goes up twice as fast. This one actually goes up 3 times as fast as the blue one. Okay? All right. That's all I have for you for the worked problems on this. If you have any further questions at all, please feel free to ask. Thanks.